Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a half windmill and back. Knowing how to do a half windmill already would be really important. So I'll put a link to the half windmill clip in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find it. Jumping in, move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So that's what it looks like. Let's break it down. Starts off like a standard half windmill. Right to right, we go back, we sweep the right over the lady, we transfer, we sweep the left over the lady. Instead of ending up in line with the lady as usual, guys, we want to be out to the right because we're now going to replay what we've just done in reverse. So we sweep the lady over with the left, so left's going outwards, so the ladies are turning right, transfer into the right behind the back, so guys are turning right, take the right over the lady. Ladies have just gone in a turn direction, so we're just going to prep, return spin, and catch. So let's think numbers, and we'll show you from the other side. It goes back 1, raise the right 2, raise the left 3, out of the way 4, raise the left 5, raise the right 6, preparation 7, return spin 8, and catch 1. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, half windmill and back. We go back. Sweep, swap, sweep, out of the way. Sweep, swap, sweep. Preparation, return spin, and you're done. That's it. Nice and easy, that one. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everybody who does that. And notifications, if you've got them turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end. One of the videos that comes up, one of the links will be to something that is nice to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.